16 divided box bracket parenthesis 9 minus 5 square brackets closed times 16. How do we solve this? So as per the order of operation, we first solve parenthesis. So parentheses are also three kinds. This is called smaller bracket. This one is the curly bracket and this is the box bracket. So first we solve smaller bracket, then this curly and then this box bracket. So this is smaller, this is middle and this one is the bigger bracket. After parenthesis we solve exponents, indices, roots, etc. Then comes multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. But remember that this multiplication, division, they are grouped together and this addition, subtraction, they are grouped together. That means they have equal priority and we solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. If you don't follow this left to right rule, you will get different answer if you follow PEMDAS or PEMDAS, which is the same rule for order of operation. Only difference is in PEMDAS, D is written first and there is M afterwards. So if we follow PEMDAS, so first we will solve the parenthesis, this one, and within parenthesis also we have to follow the order of operation. So first we will solve this exponent. So 9 minus 5 square is 25, then times 16, 16 divided 9 minus 25 will be negative because we cannot subtract 25 from 9, so subtract 9 from 25 and write the symbol of the bigger number. So it will be negative 16. We remove the bracket, then times 16. Now if you follow PEMDAS and you do multiplication first, so it will be 16 divided 16 times 16 is minus 256. It is negative 16 times 16 will be negative 256. Then 16 divided by minus 256. This will be equal to 1 upon minus 16 or minus 1 upon 16. But this is not the correct answer. We need to follow the left to right rule. So it will be 16 divided by negative 16 times 16. Left to right we have division first. So 16 divided by negative 16 will be minus 1, then times 16. Minus 1 times 16 will be minus 16. So this is the correct answer. What is your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.